Looking real technical, gangster.
Carl, you ain't run off again yet?
No, gangster. I'm here for good.
Yeah? Well, fuck this gig, man. I'm putting together a listening party for my album. But first, I need a sound system.
Hey, I'm down as long as I don't have to go to the port.
What you talking about, fool? Guaranteed I start playing, everybody will come through.
Being real OG, I really ain't into rap no more. I'm more into that hardcore gangster shit.
Well, that's me, homie. That's me. OG LOC, baby.
Yeah, for sure. But I only like them if they rhyme real well. You know, well, anyway, what you want me to steal?
That's what I'm talking about. Love for your homies. Now check it. I caught me a real fly sound system cruising through the drive-thru. I think they headed down to the beach for a beach party. Now check this out. I'll roll with you, and on the way, I can get a couple of freestyles. It's OG LOC in the place. You don't want to stop me with a gun in your face.
Yeah,
OG,
man. Look, shut the
OG.
fuck up. Maybe I need to do this on my own. I believe in you. Gangster for life, homie. For life.
Yeah, for life, homie.
¿Qué pasó, güey?
Stop touching me, asshole.
You like it in the back door?
Nah,
Trucha.
I hit the guacho, homie.
Wow.
Hey, what's cracking?
Just looking for some fun?
Well, why don't you come and dance?
Yeah, for sure.
Let's see what you got.
You must have taken lessons.
Are you okay? You've done this before. Go away. Trying to learn us little? Are you kidding me? You're a pretty good dancer. Do you need a doctor?
Like, awesome.
Not bad, not bad. Wow, you suck. You're getting the hang of this, honey. Do you have gas? Trying to give me some competition? You dance great!
Dancing isn't for everyone, you know.
Everyone thinks you're cool. Okay, you're doing good. What is wrong with you? That's incredible. Don't hurt yourself.
Bet you get the ladies with those moves.
Bueno, now you're doing it right.
Someone stole your soul. You got some moves. Want to come and chat?
Hey, man, where
All
the
right,
weed at?
lead the way.
Let me take you into my office. He's stealing the sound.
That look painful.
Man, you're so dead.
Get up, baby.
Mike! Are you high? Pushing me over the edge here.